What's up, everybody? It's Ricky J. Alvarez, Ricky the Realtor with Alvarez and Associates at Boulevard Real Estate. Hope all is well, guys. Thanks for joining us once again, tuning in, hanging out here with my buddy Yoda. He's over here hanging out, probably chewing away at some toy or something. So he's going to be jumping in and out of the video. As always, you guys may or may not know, Yoda is not camera shy at all, and he loves being in front of the camera is what I was going to say. So he'll be jumping in here. He gets a little attention hungry, so he'll kind of just come over here and start messing with me because I'm not, petting him or anything. So you guys will definitely see him. So welcome back, guys. It's Raw and Uncut Real Estate. This is episode number 35. Man, I can't believe it. Episode number 35 of Raw and Uncut Real Estate. We're back at it. Going to be talking about real estate, raw and uncut, giving you the most unbiased opinion about the real estate market, what's going on. We're out here hanging out. It's a beautiful day. It's a little windy, as you can see. Got my hair going everywhere. It's going crazy over here, but nonetheless, just wanted to, more than anything, just kind of jump back on camera, guys, and just let you guys know that summer market is here. It's here. It's in full effect. We're starting to see some minor adjustments in the market as far as we're seeing just kind of a little easing in demand, a little bit more increase in inventory starting to see in a lot of markets, especially closer to the Oakley, Brentwood, Antioch areas. So we are seeing a lot more inventory. It's starting to kind of change a lot here in Contra Costa County as well as in Alameda County. A lot of realtors will say the same, that we're starting to see a little bit of a shift here. So what that means for buyers and sellers is preparation, guys. Just getting ready, getting prepared, understanding the climate of the market, being very honest and open about what you're looking to achieve, and us as well as realtors looking to help you and guide you along that process, and being very transparent, honest as well. So ultimately, I will tell you guys that preparation is key. It's the number one thing you guys need to do right now, is just be very, very prepared about what you're looking to do and how you're going about to achieve those goals. So I would say first and foremost for buyers, getting pre-qualified, talking to a real estate agent, just ensuring that number one, that you guys are ready to go, you're educated, you understand the process, and that once you dive into the process, we're just going to be focused on finding you that right home. Sellers, on the other hand, you want to get ready. You want to just talk to the realtor, know what you got to do in your home to get it market ready. And I'm talking about cleaning it up, decluttering, painting, just doing a very thorough, just essentially market analysis of your property, ensuring that we're getting it show ready, essentially, for when the buyers come in the door. It's sparkling, glistening. It's going to get you ultimately the highest price because your house is going to be set apart from the competition. So let us help you in any capacity. We're here to do that, here to be a valuable asset for you, help you in any which way or form, so that you feel more confident when you're going out there in the market. Whether you're working with us or not, you guys, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help you guys. If there's anything we can do for you, Alvarez and Associates covers the entire Northern Bay Area. We have some amazing connections throughout the entire country as well. So let us know how we can help you. We're here to assist you and guide you on your journey to home ownership, or selling your home for top dollar and positioning yourself into the next home of your dreams, or maybe into the next investment of your dreams. So let us know what we can do for you. Thanks so much for joining us, guys. This is Raw and Uncut Real Estate, episode number 35. And this is your host, Ricky J. Alvarez, with Alvarez and Associates at Boulevard Real Estate, and my buddy Yoda. Yoda, gonna come say hi, or you're gonna just chill there? Yeah, let me see if I can get him up here. Come on. There he goes. He wanted to come say hi, so he couldn't stay away. All right, guys. Thank you again. Have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Later, buddy. See you later.